Did you know that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? What if I told you that there's a platform that can help you unlock over 20 of them? Okay guys, so today we are diving into EzyCourse, a powerful SaaS product that's transforming how entrepreneurs generate income online. So get ready to discover how you can diversify your revenue streams like never before. Now let's face it, relying on one single source of income is quite risky, to be honest, but creating multiple streams on the other hand can also be overwhelming. You're juggling between different platforms, managing different payment solutions, and delivering content can feel like a never-ending battle. And this is exactly where EzyCourse steps in. It's an all-in-one platform designed to simplify the process of building and managing your online business. And with it, you can create and sell courses, set up memberships, or offer digital products, and even host live webinars if you wanted to, all from one centralized dashboard. Okay, now let me show you their website. Excellent, so welcome to EzyCourse.com, and as you can see, this is the best platform for membership, courses, communities, coaching, and built-in email marketing, all in one. And this is where we got the title of this video. As you can see, unlock 20 plus revenue streams, boost your brand, and transform your audience into paying customers with EzyCourse. And it's not just a bold claim that they're making themselves. As you can see, they got a 5-star ratings on G2, Trustpilot, and more. And also, if you scroll down the page, well, look at all the awards they received. So when it comes to the features, it's absolutely feature packed. As you can see, you can upload courses, digital or physical products, you can build communities, have a chat box, have an appointment booking system, membership site, Android and iOS mobile app, advanced quiz, magic checkout, blog, coupons, smart upsell, multi-level affiliate marketing. Everything is included, guys. And as you can see, at the minute you can get your Android and iOS app for free before it's gone, and the usual price is normally $129 per month. So let's tackle the price quickly. So as you can see, it starts from only $35 per month, and for the pro version is $119 per month. As you can see, what's the difference between the basic and the other plans here? Well, with those three here, you get the complete white label transactional emails as well. So everything will be branded under your own name, your own logo, your own colors. So not only do you get all these features for just $119 per month, but you also get the mobile app, a full website built in with EzyCourse, and full resources as well, and support team. Now, as you can see, you get also free migration. So if you're using any of those platforms at the moment, they will migrate everything for you completely free of charge. So now I'm sure you're probably wondering, but with all those features, it must be very difficult to use. Well, as it turns out, not at all. Let me show you how this platform works now. So first, before I show you all the different features, let me show you the most important one is how you can monetize this platform and what you can sell here. So first, you can sell courses, which means that you'll have all your courses here. You can create different categories, certificate, question banks, quizzes, and surveys as well. So here underneath, you can also sell products and services. So what type of products? Well, you have digital products and physical products. Obviously, once you sell products, you can create different categories. You can also create appointments, build communities, group chat, private chat, video library, audio library. You can create different events, sell memberships, and also have live streams right from here and meetings as well. So as you can see, there's a plethora of different ways you can monetize your platform here. Also, as you can see, you have all the marketing and sales tools you would need to make it happen. As you can see, you have order bumps, upsells, bonus items, coupons, order, pre-order, manual order, including right here at the bottom, as you can see, affiliate users and affiliate transactions. So that means that you can create your own affiliate program right from here as well and get people spread the word and earn commissions from your sales, okay? And then you have everything related to marketing. So obviously, once you start building up a list, you can sell them emails, have marketing campaigns, push notifications, create your own forms. Obviously, you can design your website start to finish. So let me show you. So this is your website builder. Obviously you have all your different pages, your menus, your colors. So this is basically like a regular website builder, obviously. And you also have a blog to generate more traffic and drive traffic to your website, in which case you can obviously convert them into hard-earned money. Now let me show you what the website looks like in the front end. So all you have to do is click visit site and it will open up. And as you can see, we also have pop-up windows that you can use to increase awareness, or draw attention to specific special offers that you have. And then obviously you have your website itself. So this is the home page with your logo, your menu section, hero section. If you scroll down, you have the About Us section, how does it work, the different steps, maybe a few of your courses right here already, and so on and so on. Okay, so this is basically like a conventional website, and you can customize everything immediately from the back end. So let me show you how the website builder works, how you can build that yourself. It's super easy, super intuitive as well. So let's take care of the home page, for instance, because this is the most important one. So let me show you how you can customize your home page, for instance. Okay, so let's click on pages. So let's search for home. And there it is. As you can see, I have 3 different pages, and this is the one here that's set as the home page. Okay, now you can edit, you can build or clone that page. So let's say if you wanted to work on that page, but you don't want to affect the home page, you can clone it, work on the cloned version, and then set it as your home page, obviously, you know. So here you have everything related to your page information, your SEO, custom script, and also pricing settings. So as you can see, with this, you can even monetize the content on your pages. So obviously the home page should be free, but if you wanted your visitors to pay to access a specific page, you can set it as premium, and then you can define the price. Is it one time or just a subscription? If it's subscription, well, what interval are you going to use? Is it monthly? Is it yearly? Is it every 20 days or 30 days? And you can set this up very easily here. Again, very easy to monetize your website, even on a page-to-page basis. So this one is called Build, and this is the one that you use to actually design the page itself. And again, here, as you can see, this is very similar to most page builder. You have all your items on one side, you have your different sections, and in the middle, well, this is a quick preview of what your page looks like in the front end. Now, to customize this, all you have to do is basically use any of those items. So let's say if you wanted to change the header here, click on it, you can change the text and type whatever you want, obviously, you know. You can do the same here with the subheading. Now, if you wanted to add something in between, well, no problem at all. You go back to your widgets here, scroll down the page, look for something. So if you wanted to add a header or something, you know, to grab the heading, drag and drop it, and there you go, you have your heading. And obviously you can customize everything. So now you can customize your content, you can stylize everything, and all of that by the side. As you can see, type of heading. If you scroll down, you obviously have everything related to typography. So your font size, line weight, spacing. So you can customize and stylize everything exactly the way you want. And then you have the advanced features as well. As you can see, you can add border radius, border shadow, transform, the background color, font and typography again, any transition you want to add. So again, as you can see, this is a very comprehensive solution that will allow you to design exactly your website the way you want it. So let me just delete this for now, okay? And then you can do the same with all the different sections here on your website. And obviously it is also fully responsive. So this is the desktop view. You could have the tab view. So this is for tablets and also mobile phones, and make sure that everything is displaying properly on all types of devices. So let's go back here. You can see by the side you have all the different layers, so it's very easy to locate every specific item on your page. So let's hide this. As you can see, this is the full view then, okay? And obviously as you are working on your homepage, you want to make sure it looks good, so you can have a quick preview as well. You know, if you click on this, you'll see what it looks like in the front end. And then you can make live changes if you wanted to, you know. And then if you're more tech savvy, you can also add custom CSS right here if you wanted to, and it will only apply to this page, obviously. So let's go back to our widgets here. As you can see, there's a lot of different widgets. You have your community list, blog list, appointment booking. So you can implement everything immediately from here. Curriculum, group list. As you can see, it's not just a page editor. It will help you to build internal pages as well that will work dynamically with the content on your website. So again, guys, as you can see, a very comprehensive page builder indeed. Now, obviously, as you can see, our main colors here are green, faded green, and yellow, which is our current branding. But I suppose you you have different colors for yourself, for your logo, for your company, for your business. So let me show you how you can set your color scheme for your website. So basically you go back here, website builder, you go to color scheme. As you can see, we have dark green, yellow, dark green, and so on. So if you wanted to change those colors to match your branding, all you have to do is to change the code here. So another very handy feature is that it could be multilingual, and it's super easy to use as well. So if you go to language settings here, you can add as many languages as you want. As you can see, the one by default is English. You could have Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Swedish, or add as many as you want. Obviously, all you have to do is add language. So how does this work? Well, you have the edit button here. So these are the main settings. So English, United States, for instance, okay? And to add a translation, all you have to do is to select your language, click on edit translation. So on this side, you have the English version, so personal details, and in French is détails personnels. Account, logout, se déconnecter, etc., etc. And once you're done, click update, and you have your website in multi-language, which in turn will help you to reach out to more people and generate more money. Very good. So let's cover some of the aspects that you can use to monetize your website. So first, obviously, you can sell courses. Like we said, okay, so you have courses, you can create different categories, create different certificates, question bank, quizzes, and surveys. So this is basically like an LMS platform, all in one, all included, obviously. So let me show you the courses, how they work. So right here, the thumbnail will display in the front end, the course title, how many instructors, how many are enrolled, and you can see your students as well, and the status, as you can see, published at the moment. So let me open one here as an example. So maybe mastering collaboration, work together for the best results. So let's click on this one. It will open up in a new page, and as you can see, this is our title, how many chapters, how many lessons, the cost, and you can enroll now. So if you scroll down the page, you have a full description here. Scroll down again, and as you can see, you have the different modules. You have the intro, effective communication, quizzes, module 2, module 3, module 4, okay? And you can obviously insert as well preview videos if you wanted to introduce the content of your courses to your audience. So this is basically how courses work. So most LMS platform, you can just sell courses. That's basically all you have. You'll be limited to selling courses, but with EzyCourse is a lot different. As you can see, if you scroll down the page, you can also add products and services. So do you want to sell some digital products? Maybe you want to sell something specific, like for instance, an ebook, a PDF file, or something like this. Maybe a service altogether, okay? You can also sell physical products, or maybe you have printed version of a book. Maybe you have actual bundle, a package that you want to sell and send to your customers. Or maybe you want to sell merchandise. Maybe you want to sell t-shirts, maybe mugs, or something related to your field. You also have the possibility to set appointments, for instance, for a one-on-one coaching, maybe marketing team, a demo event, or something like this. Everything is under the same umbrella, under the same roof. So super easy to use, as you can see. And then you can create your own communities as well. So for instance, you want to create a graphics community, maybe a management community, maybe web design community. People can interact within your community, and you charge them a small fee for this. So let's have a look at graphics community as an example here. Open in a new tab, and then from within the community you can have different members, so paid members or non-paid members. That's really up to you. And to view the community, click on this button here, and that's basically it. As you can see, it's almost like a social media platform where all your users can interact and have access to your specific community. And then a few different ways to monetize your website is by using events, memberships, live streams, and meetings. So let's have a look at the events. So as you can see, you can set up any event that you want. So for instance, machine learning competition here, as you can see, normal price 100 down to 75. And if you have a quick look at the event, this is what it looks like. And people can basically enroll and take part in the competition. Now you can also set up memberships. So right here, as you can see, you can define your different plans to access your website. So maybe Elite, Pro, etc, etc. As you can see, there's loads of them here. This is a test platform, but to create a new plan, let's call it Mr. Web Premium, okay, for as an example. So let's create this. Very good. And now we have the new plan. So if you scroll down the page, we should be able to find it. And now you can set your pricing, obviously, so we go to pricing, create new price, and here you can set the price as a one-time plan, split plan, a subscription plan, donation plan, or free plan, and set the price here, and off you go. You make money from memberships now. And then we also have live streams. Obviously, this is another way that you can use to monetize your website as well. So as you can see, I have a few ones here. So let me edit one of them. So introduction to graphic design as an example, edit. So there you go, you have the title, description, scroll down the page, the thumbnail image. And as you can see, the live type. So is it built-in, is it external or iframe? So obviously you can use maybe a YouTube video, a Vimeo video if you wanted to. So the access is public, private live, hidden live, restricted product, and this is where you can make money. Obviously the live stream, is it available to anyone? So anyone can watch it, or members only, in which case they have to log in, and maybe if you have a subscription, they'll have to pay first, and this is how you can monetize even your live streams as well. And then we have meetings, and as you can see, this is using Zoom, which is a very modern technology that everyone knows about. Very trustworthy as well, and for this you can have one-on-one sessions with your visitors. And again, built in into this platform, you have all the marketing tools that you need. As you can see, order bumps, upsells, bonus item, coupon code, and all your orders, pre-orders, manual orders, and purchase requests as well. And also you can create your own affiliate program. So basically, if you go back to their website, check out the features here, you can create your own multi-level affiliate program and turn shares into earnings. So very, very nicely done indeed. And you have a full email marketing campaign as well. So once you've built up your list, well, you can create email marketing campaigns and send maybe special offers to all your customers. And then there are a few add-ons as well to help you generate even money through gamifications, link tracking, social network, search engine optimization, web push notifications, etc, etc. So just as a quick recap, guys, once you start using EzyCourse, you can make money in many different ways. You can make money by selling courses, building communities, selling events, group chat, digital product, physical product, private chat, live products, and many more.
Excellent. So as you can see, EzyCourse isn't just a platform, it's your key to unlocking a world of financial opportunities. And with it, you can diversify your income, build a loyal audience, and achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. Now, if you'd like to give it a go, as always, I'll leave all the links in the description below. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.